Looking for some social media tips to grow your business? In this video, I'm going to cover why you shouldn't be on every social media site and what you should be doing instead. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel I make tech and social media easier for awesome entrepreneurs like yourself. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for all of the latest product reviews, social media tips, and training. Most people think that in order to build a brand online, you need to be on every single social media platform that exists on the planet, all the time. But that's probably the worst advice you could listen to, especially if you're just starting out in business or if you're looking to grow your social media presence. And I get it. Everyone says that if you're in business, you need to be hustling, and if you're not hustling, someone else is, and they're awake while you're asleep taking what's yours. It's really easy to buy into this and to believe it. And I hear this all the time from big gurus and names in different industries, but it's so stressful to think about, let alone attempt. And what ends up happening when you try to be everywhere is that you do none of it well, and you actually see little growth. You end up spinning your wheels and feeling overwhelmed at trying to keep up with all of the work to maintain posting on numerous social media sites. It's exhausting. Does this sound familiar? If growing your audience by hustling and being on every social media platform was true, then everyone with multiple social media accounts would be successful. And we all know that this is just not the case. In fact, if you believe this and try to grow multiple social media accounts at the same time, you could end up burning out. It's just not sustainable. The way you can actually build your audience online, create more awareness and more sales from social media is in reality to be on less social media platforms. Hear me out. By selecting 1, 2, or maybe 3 platforms as your main engines for growth and focusing on going deep with these few, you'll end up realizing much more success than trying to tackle 10, 20, 50 social media platforms at one time. It's crazy, but I've seen people do it. For me, I believe in the power of video, and personally, I focus on YouTube and Facebook. Instead of stressing myself out and trying to be on every single platform out there like the experts tell you to, my strategy is to leverage video for YouTube and Facebook Live and focus on generating sales and building my audience on these 2 platforms mainly. I like YouTube for the organic traffic from the YouTube search engine, plus the easy ability to repurpose YouTube videos into other pieces of content. I also like Facebook Live. The magic with Facebook Live lies in your ability to get views after the broadcast via Facebook video ads, allowing you to grow your audience cheaply and quickly. I couldn't possibly generate tweets, post for Instagram, Snapchats, microblog on Tumblr, plus do YouTube and videos on Facebook Live all at the same time, nor would I ever want to. I'm tired just thinking about the time and effort that would be required to attempt that. And it's not about being elitist or ignoring all other social media sites above one or another. It's about firstly leveraging your time and energy on your main selected social media sites, and then secondary to this, posting content from your focus sites to other platforms. It's about picking the platforms that resonate with you. And you don't and shouldn't have to do it all by yourself either. There are lots of editors and social media managers and help that you can get on sites such as Upwork and Fiverr to help you out. So let me ask you, do you really want to keep thinking that your path to growth is to spread yourself thin across multiple social media platforms and see little results or even worse, to burn out? Or do you want to focus on a few social media platforms and to do them well and see real growth and sales from your social media efforts? If you found this social media tip useful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for ways to grow your business, check out my social media checklist. I outline all of the things you need to do to get up and running on social media, so you can start leveraging the power of social to make more sales with ease. To get your hands on it, simply click on the link in the description box below, and thanks for watching.